happy soap makers. I'm Jeanette, a member of Nature's Garden's creative team. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious smelling fluffy whipped soap recipe. The recipe called for rainbow sherbet. Did you guys grow up saying sherbet or sherbet? I'm just curious because I just learned maybe a year ago that it's actually spelled sherbet. So leave a comment, let me know if I'm the only person that didn't know this. So I also tried a new piping tip that was a Russian piping tip. I've never used those before in cake decorating or soap decorating. So that was a little challenging, but you'll get that on camera and you can see how it worked if you want to use it in the future or not. But I'd also like if you could leave a comment below and let the other soap makers know what tips you prefer to use when you're making these recipes. I hope you enjoy our recipe today. Let's whip it up.